Hello everyone, welcome back to Pably Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to add Facebook leads to active campaign as contacts. Let's suppose I'm having an event management company, and to promote that, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads for my event management company, automatically that same lead should be added as a new contact in my active campaign account. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to set up a connection between Facebook lead ads and active campaign, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software, Pably Connect. So here we have Facebook lead ads in our trigger and active campaign in our action. So we are going to connect both of them by using Pably Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically add Facebook leads into active campaign as a contact. Okay, so let's suppose I'm having an event management company, and to promote that, I'm also running an ad campaign on my Facebook page. And now I want that as soon as a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically that same lead should be added as a contact in my active campaign account so that I could further nurture my leads. Okay, so we are going to create an automation for this process by setting up a simple connection between Facebook lead ads and active campaign, and that we are going to do without any coding or programming skills with the help of an amazing automation software, that is Pably Connect. So with the help of Pably Connect, we can connect multiple applications without any coding or programming skills, and we can automate all our repetitive tasks. Now here, this is the homepage of Pably Connect, where we can reach by typing this URL pably.com/connect. After coming here, we can find two options: sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, I'm directly clicking on sign in. This is the all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pably. To create this automation, we are going to use Pably Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pably Connect. Now here on the dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, we can save our workflows accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option which is given on right corner. Let's do that, and here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Add Facebook leads to active campaign as contacts. After giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save the workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select this test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us. First is the trigger and the other is action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two concepts or the two principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is a response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to take Facebook lead ads in our trigger and active campaign in our action, and we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead should be added as a contact in our active campaign account also. Here we can find that our action is the response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the lead is generated, then only it is added as a contact in active campaign, otherwise not. Okay, so after understanding this concept, let's start creating the workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Facebook lead ads. So let's select it. The next is a trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So we will select new lead instant as our trigger event, as we want that as soon as a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads, instantly the response of that lead should be captured here in Pably Connect, and with that response, automatically the workflow should get trigger or start. Let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select this add new connection to build a new connection with Facebook lead ads account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now let's click on connect with Facebook lead ads. And here our authorization has become successful. So because I was already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Facebook lead ads is successfully connected with Pably Connect. So let us move further. After building the connection, here we need to select our page as well as the lead gen form. Now to understand this, I am going to first take you towards my Facebook account. So this is the page which I am running on my Facebook account with the name as Sparkle Evenings for my event management company. And I have also created a lead gen form for generating the leads by using Facebook lead ads. And now I want that as soon as a lead will be generated by submitting that form, the response of that lead should be automatically captured here in Pabbly Connect. For that, first of all, we need to select our page over here. So let's do that. So the page is Sparkle Evenings. So here we have selected the page. Now we need to select the lead gen form which we have created. So I have created multiple forms and among them I want to select this new leads form. Okay, as I want to capture the response of my leads with the help of this particular form. Okay, so as soon as a person is going to submit this form, the response will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Let's click on Save and Send Test Request button. As we have done that, it is showing waiting for webhook response. That means now we have to do a test submission. So how we are going to do that? By submitting this lead gen form which we have selected. Okay, for doing that, I am going to take you towards Meta for Developers, and here we have to go towards More section. Under More, we can find the option of Tools. Let's select it and it will take us towards Developer Tools. Now here under Other Developer Tools, we will find the option of Lead Ads RTO Debug Tool. Let us select it and it has taken us towards Lead Ads Testing Tool. So with the help of this testing tool, we are going to test our integration. Basically here we are going to select our page as well as the form, and when we will submit the form with a test response, and when we will submit the form over here, automatically the response of that form will be captured in Pabbly Connect. And with the help of that, we are going to test our connection between Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. So let me select my page, that is Sparkle Evenings, and the form associated with the page new leads form is already selected over here. Now we have to click on this preview form to open the form, but it is given that you can create one lead per form. You will have to delete the existing lead in order to create a new one. So if you are using any existing form, then you have to delete the existing lead with that form first of all by clicking on this delete lead button, and then you have to refresh your page. Once again, you will select the page as well as the form, and then you will open a new form in front of you. Because I have recently created this new leads form and it does not contain any existing lead, therefore I'm directly clicking on preview form button. So basically this is a contact registration form, and I want that as soon as a person is going to enter the details in this particular form and submit it, automatically all the details of that person will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with that I'm going to further connect with my leads. I will add them in my ActiveCampaign account so that I could further connect with them. Okay, now because I'm not running any live campaign on my Facebook page, therefore I could not send the response of a real lead towards Pabbly Connect. So with the help of Lead Ads Testing Tool, I'm going to test my integration. But in your case, when you will be running a live campaign, whenever a new lead will be generated with the help of your lead gen form, automatically the response of that real lead will be captured in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here because I'm doing a test submission, therefore I'm going to enter dummy details of a dummy lead. Okay, so let me start with the contact number. Here I'm going to enter a dummy contact number, just a random contact number. Now here is the email, so I'm going to enter a dummy email, smartuser798@pabblytudes.com. Here will be the first name smart and the last name user. Okay, done. We have entered all the details. Let's click on next and we will submit this form. So we have submitted the form. Let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will wait for a few seconds. And here is the response. So as soon as we have submitted the form, we have captured the response here in Pabbly Connect along with all the details which we have entered in the form. Contact number, email, first name as well as the last name. This means that we have successfully connected Facebook Lead Ads and Pabbly Connect. So now whenever a new lead will be generated for my event management company from Facebook Lead Ads, automatically the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, and now our objective is to add the same lead which is recently generated as a contact in our ActiveCampaign account. For that, let's move further. Here in the action step, I'm going to select ActiveCampaign. Let us select it. Now we will select the action event, that is create a contact. Let's click on connect. And now from the given options, I'm going to select this add new connection to build a new connection with ActiveCampaign account. And here, as soon as we have done that, we can find that we have to enter two details, API key as well as the URL. So from where we are going to find both the details. For that, the instructions are provided to us here. We just have to go towards our ActiveCampaign account and then we have to go towards settings. Let me take you towards my ActiveCampaign account. This is the settings option from the left side. And here is the developer section. Let us select it, and here are both the details, URL as well as the API key. So first of all, let us copy the API URL and we will paste it over here in this field. And after entering the URL here, we have to read the instructions carefully. It is given that you need to enter the URL without HTTPS protocol. So I'm going to just remove this. And this will be the URL without HTTPS. Okay, the next is the API key. So let's go back. This is our API key. Let us copy it and we will paste it here in this field. Done. Let's click on save. In the same manner, you need to find both the details, and now my active campaign account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Let us move further. Here we need to enter the details in these fields in order to create the contact. So we want to add our Facebook lead as a contact in our active campaign, and we have already received all the details related to our Facebook leads from our earlier response, that is from Facebook lead ads response. We will simply use the same data. So we will map the data over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details. We want to map the email, so let us select it and it is mapped. The next is the first name, so let us map the first name also, Smart, and here is the last name. At last we will also map the phone number. Done. So we have mapped all the details. Now when we have mapped this data, it has become dynamic. So now with each and every new response, it is going to change. That means now whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads and the response of that lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect, automatically all these details are going to be replaced with the new details of that new lead. But in case if we will enter it manually one by copy and pasting, then it would have become static and then it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. Okay, otherwise the workflow will get stuck. Now let's click on save and send test request button. And here we can find that we have received the response. So let's go and check on our active campaign account and we will go towards contact section. And we can find that yes, a new contact is recently added over here with the name as Smart User, and it has the same email smartuser798@pabblytudes.com as well as the phone number. The date is also given 20 January 2024 at 11:02 a.m. This means that our workflow is perfectly successful and we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads with active campaign. Now let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done here in the workflow. So we have taken two simple steps, trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Facebook lead ads and in action, we have taken active campaign. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated through Facebook lead ads, automatically that lead will be added as a contact in our active campaign account. In the same manner, by following the same steps, you can very easily create this automation, and this will enable you to automatically create new contacts in your active campaign account whenever a new lead will be generated from Facebook lead ads. Okay, this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.